In this question, I'm being asked to write the ratio 6 to 2 in its simplest form. What this means is that I have to keep the ratio the same, but I've got to use the smallest whole numbers possible. So here's my ratio 6 to 2. I can illustrate it like this, with 6 orange squares and 2 blue squares. I can move this blue square down here, and now I can see that for every 3 orange squares, I've always got 1 blue square. So I can see that the simplest form of the ratio 6 to 2 is 3 to 1. I'm now going to look at this ratio, 36 to 40. Obviously, I don't want to draw 36 squares and 40 squares, so I'm going to do this one in a different way. I'm going to do this just by looking at the numbers. The ratio is 36 to 40. The first thing I notice is that I can halve both these numbers. Half of 36 is 18, and half of 40 is 20. If I look at these numbers, I see that I can halve again. Half of 18 is 9, and half of 20 is 10. I can't halve anymore. Now, looking at these two numbers, I can see that there's no number that goes into 9 and into 10, so I'm going to have to leave it like this. 9 to 10 is the simplest form. Just out of interest, if you're more confident with number, you can do it in a quicker way. The ratio was 36 to 40. I look to see what's the biggest number that goes into both 36 and 40. The answer's 4, so I divide them both by 4. This gives me 9 to 10. This is my simplest form. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. In these questions, I have to keep the ratio the same, but find the missing numbers. In this first question, I can see that 1 is on the left, and so is 3. How do I get from 1 to 3? Well, I times by 3. To make it fair, I'm going to do the same thing to the 9. 9 times 3 gives me 27, so this is the missing number. In B, 4 is on the right, and so is 8. How do I get from 4 to 8? Well, I times by 2. I'm going to do the same thing to the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. In the last one, 5 is on the left, and so is 30. To get from 5 to 30, I times by 6. 2 times 6 gives me 12. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers.